Hi there. In this video, we're going to look at Algorand. So that's the Wyckoff lens itself. Remember, TA is just part of the game. Whether a crypto project is going to be successful depends on many factors. We'll go to the daily chart first, and then we'll come back to the Wyckoff bigger picture. So Algorand has been testing this uptrend support for the past week. And given the recent price actions, we have to do a little bit of adjustments. So it hasn't dropped all the way to this support line that I shared, the about 10 cents. Okay, that's over there, right over there. So since this is, the bulls have been able to defend the uptrend, but this is having a slightly milder rate of ascent than before. Okay, let's assume that's the case. All right, just to make sure this point and this point are lined up. So let's move the center line as well. Hey, just want to make sure we have the most frequent activities around the center line. It doesn't have to cut the channel box directly or exactly in half, okay? It can lean towards one side. So currently, it has broken above the key level of 0.110, the yellow key level, right? We talked about the May 20th, where the previous downtrend, crosses that support or key level around May 20th, 21st. So that's when the price broke outside of the downtrend and then coming to stabilize above the yellow line. As of this moment, if this turns into an uptrend to challenge the 0.125 green key level, that's very close to the center line of the uptrend at the same time. So whether or not that's going to happen, given the volume, it isn't very promising because of a mix of higher than average red and white. Okay, if the reds are much lower, then it would be a clearer picture that the boost is having an upper hand. But right now, it's not. And even it is higher than average, it has declined quite a bit compared to a week or two ago. So the key thing over here is that there is going to be a lot of economic data going to be released for the coming week. So both the bulls and bears are becoming more cautious. Right? That's why the volume started to die down a little. But when the data comes out, that's going to drive the price to test either direction. So I've shared some of the news that's going to happen in the coming week yesterday. You can go check that session. Basically, it can be spinned both ways. And we'll have to see how that happens, right? Because day after day, you've got a bunch of economic data lining up, and then people will react differently. And the thing here is that if this is departing from the base of the medium-term uptrend, then eventually or naturally, it should come up to test the center line. Of course, if there are bad news being released, then that's not the case. Okay, remember, the air hockey thing, right? That's the nature of it. Bouncing and testing between the three lines. Okay, that's the micro view. How about the Wyckoff picture? So Wyckoff picture over here, we are seeing it is slowly climbing with heightened volume compared to starting September last year all the way to March this year. These 2 months, the volume has been slightly increased. So there are money coming back to Algorand. We can tell from the volume chart itself. But then it is still being cautious because it is reaching a level, the 0.136, the light blue key level over here, that the beginning of the year touched. And it's also very close to the panic over stage back in April last year. Right? The blue key level of 0.147. That's very key because once past that level, and including the purple key level 0.159, then it is getting back to a zone of the early stage accumulation. And that's when the likelihood of the sign of strength returns. Okay, and that signals we are at least in the mid-late stage of the accumulation. So even though we are already like over a year into accumulation for the case of Algorand, it is showing some signs that it is performing better than some other altcoins. Okay, so let's continue to observe the volume, whether that's going to increase. Remember I said that's like the fuel tank. If the fuel is being filled up, then that's where the moves go. Okay. Remember, you can find the weekly write-up on Substack at SLS, and being a member gives you access earlier to these videos by 2 days. See you in the next video. Thank you.